Good afternoon, boys. Next we go for exercise 7.4. So in this 7.4, what are the formulas we can use here? Okay, that formulas I will give introduction here. Okay, so one students take a clay and made the cylinder. Okay, that same clay use another by made into sphere. Right? So both students are using the same clay. Right, one student made cylinder and another one student it is replaced into the sphere. Clear ada? So both of them using same clay, that is same weight of clay. Here weight is volume only da, not for area. Okay, so both of them having the same values, so we can take volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere da, because both of them using same weight of clay, same weight of clay da. Understand da? So one by made cylinder, same clay, another one by made into the sphere. So both of them having the same weight, cylinder and sphere. So here weight we can measure by volume da. So only we can take volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Right? Like that we can take sphere change into hemisphere, like that we can change. It means right, we can here which is are equal, volume of the shapes are equal, volume of the shapes are here equal. Here I will take cylinder and sphere, like that we can take sphere change into hemisphere, sphere change into hemisphere, and hemisphere we can change into cylinder, like that we can change the shape, one shape to another one. Right, sir? We want to find volume of the shape. We want to find the volume of shape. Here the volume of the shapes are equal. Volume of the shapes are equal. So only here I can take volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Okay, and then go for second one. Water flows in a pipe. Water flows in pipe. Okay, here I will take the two size of pipe. This is small pipe and this is a big pipe. Right? Here the radius is so much, and here this is the radius of the big pipe. Okay, here radius is small one, but here radius is big one. Okay, here water flows in the pipe. Water flows in the pipe. So here water flows in the pipe. Here the small pipe. Okay, what is the speed of the pipe? Speed of the pipe, and big pipe also we can take. Here also water flows in the pipe. Okay, here also you have water speed. Right, sir? In both pipe. So okay, water flows in the pipe. Here the water speed having no, in small pipe the speed is will come fast. Okay, for big pipe the water speed is some less than the small pipe. Okay, and then size also it is here different. Size also it is differ. Okay, so the water flows and fill in the tank. Right, sir? Water flows and fill in the tank we can take, means right, both pipe, right, sir, take fill in the tank. Right, both of them having different times, right. Small pipe it will take more time, but big pipe it will take small time. Okay, so volume of water flows in a cylindrical pipe. You have three conditions. First one size. Right, sir? First one size, and second one water speed, and time taken t. Okay, so volume of water flows in cylindrical pipe. You have the three condition. First one speed. Okay, water speed you know, and then time, and third one is area of pipe, area. Okay, so speed into time into area. Okay, so here pipe only they given, the pipe they given, radius they only given, they not given the height of the pipe and all, they not given, only they given the radius of pipe or diameter of the pipe only given. Right, so what is the shape of the this pipe? Okay, at this end of pipe, okay, it is the shape of circle, so only we can take the area is pi r square. Okay va? So water speed and it will take the time t and the area. Here area formula you want to use pi r square, pi r square, because right here it is a small pipe and it is a big pipe both of them having the different areas, both of them having the different areas, right this is the area of here this area and this area is different, so both of them having the different areas. So only volume of water flows in a cylindrical pipe having the three conditions: speed into time into area of pipe okay. Here area of pipe, right you want to take that cross only you want to take, right this is the area of pipe you want to take. Here the area of pipe it is in the shape of circle, so only I can take here pi r square. So volume of water flows in the cylindrical pipe is equal to speed into time into pi r square. Okay, and then third one. So I will take a big sphere and it will change into the small sphere. Change into the small sphere. Right? So we can add this small sphere. We can add this all small sphere. We can get the big sphere. Okay, vada? So here big sphere we can change into small sphere. How many small sphere we can change? Right, sir? That one you want to find. Right? Simple example I can say you can take the laddu, sir. Right? That laddu we can split it means it will get in a bundi. Right? So how many bundis we can get in this laddu? Okay, like that you want to find. Okay, so here sphere, big sphere change into small sphere. So both of them having the same volumes. So volume of big sphere, volume of big sphere is equal to how many small sphere we can add. Okay, that number of small sphere they not given. So I can take the number of small sphere I can take n. So number of small sphere here they not given. So I can take the number of small sphere is n into volume of small sphere. Understand? So volume of big sphere is equal to how many small sphere we can add. You don't know. So only I can take the number of small sphere is n into volume of small sphere. Okay, this is the another formula, and this one you know already, that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter and centimeter, millimeter. Right? Here kilometer is a upper value and millimeter is a small value. So you come to big to small, we can multiple, and small to big you want to divide. This one already studied in 8th standard. Okay, this one you know very well. Okay, so we can use all this one in this exercise 7.4. Okay, okay, now we go for the exercise. So now question number first one 7.4 first sum. Okay, here given aluminium sphere of radius, aluminium sphere of radius 12 centimeter. Right, sir? So they given sphere, they given what is the radius of sphere? R is equal to 12 centimeter. Right? This sphere melted to make a cylinder. Right? The sphere, right, melt and we can change into the cylinder. Like that we can change the cylinder. That is sphere, it's melted and we can change into the sphere. Right? So what is the weight of the sphere? We can use same weight of the only we can use in cylinder. Okay, so here weight you want to find out. Weight is capacity. So capacity means volume you want to find. Okay, so radius of sphere we can take r is equal to 12, and then the sphere we can change into cylinder. Okay, here the radius of cylinder they given 8 centimeter they given. You want to find height of the cylinder you want to find. Okay, so here sphere change into cylinder, sphere change into cylinder, that is one shape change into another shape means, right, both of them you want to find volume. Right, sir? So we can find volume of sphere. right? Here sphere only change into cylinder, so one shape change into another shape. So you want to find volume of both shapes, and both of them having the same volume da. So we can take volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder. Okay va? So volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of cylinder pi r square h. Okay, now you can cancel pi and then substitute the 4 by 3 into this is radius is sphere radius. What is sphere radius here? 12 centimeter. So 12 into 12 into 12, right sir? And this is the radius of cylinder. So cylinder radius is 8 into 8 and cylinder height, right? That only not given. So you want to find cylinder height. You want to find. Okay. Now we can cancel the 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12, and then you want to find height only da. So here 4 into 12 into 12 into 4, right? These twos it will come here, multiple come to divide. Okay, now we can cancel 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, and 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. So we can get h is equal to 36 centimeter. Okay, what? So what they given? Sphere they given, we can reshape into cylinder, right? So one shape change into another one shape means you want to find volume da, and then both volumes are equal. So we can take volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Okay va? Then take and substitute everything. We can get height of the cylinder is equal to 36 centimeter. Clear ada boys? Okay. Next second sum. Okay da. Second sum da. Water flowing at the rate of 15 kilometer per hour through a pipe da. So in pipe that water flows da. Okay, water flowing, they given speed of the water, they given speed of the water. Okay va? So speed of the water what they given 15 kilometer per hour, right? As 15 kilometer per hour they given ra. Okay, and what is the diameter of the pipe? Diameter of the pipe is equal to 14 centimeter they given. Okay, so diameter of pipe is equal to 14 centimeter. Then we want to find a radius. So radius is equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. So pipe radius equal to 7 centimeter and the speed of the water 15 kilometer per hours. That one they given, right? So that water flows in the pipe and it fill in the tank. It fill in the tank. Okay, so the tank length they given 50 meter and wide, that is breadth they given 44 meter. They given us a, so we can take length L is equal to 50 meter and breadth we can take 44 meter. Okay, so that water flows in the pipe and fill in the tank. Okay va? So you want to find what sir? Find the time in which level the water tanks will rise by 21 centimeter. Okay va? So water fills in the tank da. So you want to find in the water level how many centimeter? 21 centimeter. The water level 21 centimeter you want to fill, right? How many time it will take you want to find. Okay sir? Clear ada? So water flows in a pipe into the tank, right? Here water fill in the tank, right? You want to find, right sir, the water level want to comes to 21 centimeter at which time you want to find, right sir? Find time in which, right sir, in which the level of the water tank rise by 21 centimeter. Okay, so for 21 centimeter how much time it will take you want to find. Clear ada? So here the water level in the tank they given 21 centimeter. So I will take, it is the height of the tank I will take, because how much of water it will fill here, 21 centimeter height of water we can fill. So only I can take height of the tank 21 centimeter. So take and substitute L is equal to B, B is equal to 44, and H is equal to water level in the tank. It has a how many centimeter? 21 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now see the diameter and the radius are in centimeter, but speed in kilometer. Here length is meter, this one also meter, but this one is centimeter. All the units are different, so you want to change into same units. Okay va? So we can change into same unit. Here centimeter, here kilometer. Right, sir? So for the center value is right, for kilometer and centimeter, the center value is meter. So all those are I can change into meter. All those are I can change into meter. Okay, now centimeter 7, radius is 7 centimeter. That centimeter you want to change into meter. Okay va? So centimeter here you want to change into meter. You know already. So it will come here 10 and it will come here 100. Right, sir? So now you go for small to big. Small to big. Small to big means you want to divide. Okay va? So that 7 centimeter you want to change into meter. So we can divide it by 7 by 100 meter. So the centimeter change to meter. Okay va? Same one here, kilometer they given they given kilometer, you want to change into meter. So kilometer is a bigger value, you want to change into meter. Okay, so here 10 and here 100 and you want to change into here meter, it will come 1000. Right? So big to small, it is multiple. Clear? So that 15 you want to multiply by 1000, we can get 15,000 meter per hours. That is speed. Okay va? Speed is equal to 50,000 meter per hours. And then height also here 21 centimeter. That one also you want to change into meter. So we can get H is equal to 21 by, already we can change centimeter, change to meter, we can divide it by 100. So same one I can use here. So H is equal to 21 by 100 meter. Okay va? So everything we can change. Next you want to find, what sir you want to find? Time you want to find. Time you want to find. So already I can explain, volume of water flows in the cylindrical pipe. Formula is speed into time into area. So I can use this formula. Right? So volume of water flows in cylindrical pipe. So water flows in the pipe. Water flows in the pipe. It is into the tank. Okay. So volume of water flows in the pipe. This one equal to volume of water in the tank. Okay. Clear? So water flows in the pipe. How much water flows here? That same water only we can have in the tank. So both volumes are same. Both volumes are same. So only I can take here volume of water flows in cylindrical pipe is equal to volume of water in cylindrical tank. So volume of water flows in pipe formula pi r square into speed into time. Right, sir? Here volume of water in tank formula is L into B into H. Okay. Now take and substitute everyone. Okay. Here this is pipe values and this tank values. Okay. Now take and substitute. What is the radius of pipe? 7 by 100. So 22 by 7. Okay. Radius is 7 by 100 into 7 by 100. Clear? Then speed is equal to how much? 50,000 speed of the water, and the time not given, so we can take time t. And here length is equal to 50 and breadth is equal to 44 and h is equal to 21 by 100. Okay, now you want to cancel. Okay, so cancel I can do here. So listen carefully. So 100 cancel. Okay, first one, and the next here 20, here 20 we can cancel. Okay, and the next 1 7 is 7, 1 7 is 7. Okay vada boys, and the next here 150 and here 50, right? So 150 is 50 and here 350s are 150. Okay vada, and the next divided by 7 table, 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21, and then 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, and the next 22 table, 1 22s are 22, 2 22s are 44. Okay vada, so everyone it here cancel the, so 1 into t equal to 1 into 2 2. So how many hours it will take? 2 hours it will take the. Okay va, so cancel is understand noda. Okay, thank you boys.